Welcome back to more HARBRO freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and we have this weekend deal, which is going to be very familiar because it's what the parking lot sale was. It is the parking lot sale, but it's been extended. Coupons expire Sunday, unbeatable deals, unmatched selection, as long as they have it in stock while supplies last. Must use coupons to get the prices shown. So that's a little bit different. I'm trying to go through this as fast as I can. I beat this. Is it beat this like a dead horse? We've beat it pretty thoroughly. I'll link some of the videos that I've gone over where I go over the wrenches in depth. And I've gone, of course, through all these coupons. I don't believe anything has changed, but I'll kind of highlight the ones that, if I recall correctly, mostly everybody focused on during the parking lot sale. If you find this useful, please consider liking or subscribing. Here we go. Of course, 30% off all Pittsburgh steel floor jacks. 40% off all Icon wrench sets. A lot of options. Limit 5 per customer. I think that was the same case during the actual parking lot sale. 50% off all mesh and extreme duty tarps. I think only a couple people mentioned that they got some tarps. Few people definitely mentioned that they stocked up on gloves. Everybody did their best to get wrenches, and that's where it's at. This was a popular item. Of course, the meme ratchet, the mini ratchet, 30% off at $28. Great price. Franklin moving blanket for $3.96. Vulcan flux core for $15. Microfiber cleaning cloths for $4. Of course, the mini steel toolbox for $14, 26% off. Great deal. Really good deal on this 5,000 watt dual fuel super quiet inverter generator with remote start, CO secure, $800, $300 off. The Earthquake XT half-inch composite air impact wrench for $90, $40 off. Really good deal there. A couple deals on the Badland Apex 12,000 pound winch with synthetic rope, wireless remote for $80, $120 off. Then the 12,000 pound winch, the Badland Apex with steel rope and wireless remote for $480 as well, but only $100 off. This is always a hot commodity. Not the lowest price that it's been, but probably the lowest price you'll see it anytime soon outside of maybe Black Friday. But this might be the new low. US General 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics cart for $200, $80 off. And then these legitimate Icon Alert 3/8-inch drive SAE and metric modular general service socket sets, 54 pieces, $40 off. Great deal here. Of course, good time to get some fans. $120 for the pedestal shop fan, $40 off, or $120 for the high velocity shop fan, really the one that's on the floor, you can roll around, only $20 off. 6-ton floor jacks, Daytona, $60, 25% off. If you're into welding, great deal on the titanium modular welding table. Welding fit-up kit for $150, $40 off. And here's the match to the other Icon, the 1/4-inch drive SAE and metric modular general service socket set, 48-piece. Pittsburgh's plastic fastener kits, 240 piece for $11, 38% off. Western safety glasses, available in 3 colors, 98 cents, normally about $2, 50% off. Storehouse cable ties for $1.59, 30% off. The 24 LED outdoor string lights, $20, 20% off. Brand new, I guess, in white. Hallmaster 400-pound capacity, 1-inch by 15-foot ratcheting tie downs, 4-pack for $6.59. Pittsburgh's wobble socket extension set, 9-piece for $9.89, 41% off. Great deal there. Also a great deal on these ratcheting tie downs. There's a few of these on sale, but there's a few different ones as well. Pittsburgh multi-use transfer pump for $4.79, 40% off. Warriors hex shank socket drive set, 3-piece for $198, 60% off. I believe those were free recently. Hardy performance work gloves, $379, 36% off. Bronze 700 lumen adjustable rechargeable LED headlamp for $20, 20% off. The full bank service cart, $100 off for $500. The 22-inch end locker for $320, $80 off from US General. The big bad 72-inch by 22-inch triple bank roll cap for $1,400, $400 off US General. The Quinn Master Technicians tool set, $100 off. The 428-piece for $329.99. And then a not too bad Pittsburgh lifetime warranty mechanics tool set, 301-piece for $169.99, $30 off. Some US General peg type socket tray, 3-piece, $18, 28% off. The US General magnetic socket rail, your choice, $15, 31% off. Pittsburgh's mechanics tool set, 225-piece for $100, $40 off. Quinn, also lifetime warranty, half-inch drive SAE and metric master impact socket set, 61 piece. Great deal here, $50 off. And Quinn's half-inch drive, 12.5 to 250 foot-pound. Digital angle torque wrench, $30. Icon's half-inch drive, 50 to 250 foot-pound. Professional click torque wrench, $120, $20 off. Quinn's 3/8-inch drive bolt extractor socket set, 9-piece, your choice. Of SAE or metric, $25, 16% off. These Icon 3/8-inch drive professional deep socket set, 12-piece, your choice, $40, 11% off of SAE or metric. Pittsburgh's half-inch drive flex head long handle ratchet for $28, 20% off. The 3/8 drive flex head long handle ratchet for $28, 15% off. A tarp heavy duty 11 by 19 foot reflective all-purpose weather resistant tarp, $18, 21% off. A 393 Pittsburgh 16-ounce fiberglass hammer. US General's 1/4-inch drive magnetic socket holder for $9.96, 41% off. And then the 3/8-inch drive magnetic socket holder for $12.99, 35% off. And then we have the US General 1/4, 3/8, and half-inch multiple rail socket tray, your choice of SAE or metric, $15, 25% off. This nice Pittsburgh pry bar set, 4 pieces for $9.98, 41% off. Voyager's 15-inch tool bag with 14 pockets for $4.98, 50% off. Yukon clear stacking bin large, $2.98, 25% off. Pittsburgh Pro lifetime warranty 3/8-inch drive high visibility deep socket set, 10-piece, $9.98, 28% off. Warriors 1 3/8-inch plunge flush cutting blade for oscillating tools, $3.96, 50% off. Hercules 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw for $299.99, $50 off there. A 20-gallon McGraw 135 psi oil lube vertical shop auto air compressor for $200, $50 off. Central Pneumatics 3/8-inch by 50-foot retractable hose reel for $65, 27% off. Titanium Unlimited 140 professional multi-process welder, 120 volt, $500, $100 off. And I actually have this pressure washer. I've used it a few times. It's super solid. Gets a little bit tricky with all the wires and the hoses anyways. 2,000 psi, 1.3 gallons per minute, max performance electric pressure washer, $174.99, $15 off. Chiefs Professional Long Barrel Air Hammer for $120, $20 off. Black Widow, one with side fan control, one with rear fan control, both $130, both $50 off. Armstrong's 37 to 80-inch full motion TV wall mount for $30, 25% off. This incredibly robust 1,200-pound capacity steel utility cart with removable sides for $140, $35 off. Predator 2-inch 212cc gasoline engine, $217.99, $72 off. A few Franklin hand trucks, 800-pound capacity for $65. 4-in-1 convertible hand truck, 5.8 and 1,000-pound capacity for $170. And the 700-pound capacity hand truck for $50, 16% off. Pittsburgh plier set with comfort grips, 5-piece, $15, 25% off. Some disposable blue shop towels for $229. Franklin's 150-pound capacity foldable hand truck for $25, 28% off. Merlin's 1/4-inch brass industrial plug for $1.49. High-vis adapter socket set, 4-piece, $289 from Pittsburgh. The Universal Joint Socket Adapter Set 3-piece for $598, 40% off. Some Icon Professional Impact Socket Adapter Set 4-piece, 39% off, $19.99. Pittsburgh's 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch dual drive extendable ratchet for $12, 33% off. Ranger's Hard Terrain Gel Knee Pads for $12, 25% off. Pittsburgh's 20 and 4-way lug wrench, $998, 37% off. Predator's 9,500 watt super quiet inverter generator with CO secure technology, $1,849.99. That is steep, but $450 off there. A couple more Predators, a 9,000 watt gas powered generator, $699.99, $100 off, and a 6,500 watt gas powered generator for $599.99. That's only $50 off. A couple more Badlands ZXR winches, the 12,000-pound truck SUV winch with wire rope for $300, $50 off. And then the 5,000-pound UTV Power Sport winch with auto load holding brake for $150, $30 off. And then the 3,500-pound UTV Power Sports winch with automatic load hold braking for $125, $15 off. A few Haulmaster 750-pound capacity folding cargo carrier for $90, $30 off. The 600-pound capacity motorcycle carrier for $200, $40 off. And then the 1,000-pound capacity 9-inch by 72-inch steel loading ramp set of two, $60. Centex 630 peak amp portable car battery jump starter and power pack, $60, 25% off. Zurich's ZR13S OBD2 code reader for $140, $10 off. No spill radiator funnel kit from Pittsburgh for $30, 25% off. Pittsburgh's 4,000-pound capacity solid steel auto ramp set for $60, 14% off. Then we have some disposable drop cloths for 98 cents. Pittsburgh screwdriver set 8-piece for $7.96, 20% off. Some HFT high strength super glue 10-pack, $249, 37% off. Merlin's 1/4-inch by 50-foot lay flat air hose for 39% off. And the 5-gallon fuel can, your choice, $18.99, 13% off. And I want to say that's a relatively thorough list of what was on the parking lot sale. Can't spot anything that might be missing, but the big thing would be is if things are back in stock, and I believe they should be, and hopefully they are. So what did you miss out on the parking lot sale? Is it mainly because they were out of stock? You have a chance to do it over again. One big tip that I do have for anybody and everybody, and I did see this in the comments a few times, was the liquidation sale. Now, of course, items in the liquidation sale are already marked down, but if you can, you got to try it, because I saw a few people were very successful with it. Try combining it with some of these discounts. Really, it'd be the wrench sets. Maybe, well, keep an eye out for all of these, but really for the wrench sets, I don't know if they're giving you the discount on any of these other items if they're open box. Possibly could give you the discounts on these other ones, but just keep your eyes open for what's open box, as is, discontinued, closeout, scratch and dent items. Try to combine the discounts so you can get an even steeper discount. And I'll leave it at that. What did you miss out on? Are you excited about the extended sale? It's not bad, giving us another shot. But again, hopefully this is useful. Please consider liking and subscribing. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. And as soon as I find some more deals, I will send them your way.